What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an elevated garden bed, you guys. We have the portable garden bed. We have the garden bed that can be on your deck. You don't have to be in the woods. This is for the people that don't like being close to the woods. Y'all know I have a garden in my backyard for the ones who has been subscribed to the channel for a while. And for the newcomers, yes, I have a little garden back there. I will get to it soon, but I'm doing this for the people that don't like being close to the woods and they would still love to have a garden close to their home. So I bought this unit from Lowe's and I got this. It was on sale, you guys, so I apologize. I think the sale is over. The next time on this channel, I will try, if I see a sale, I will just post it in the community tab and try to notify y'all when I see daily sales and stuff like that. So I purchased this for $50. I believe the regular price for it is, I believe, $80, something like that, $79, $80. So they also have one that's at Sam's Club and I seen one at Costco, but it might do a different type of soil capacity. So right here, this does a 2.1 cubic foot soil capacity. 2.1 cubic foot. It says a wood finish on it, but it's plastic, but you have the wood finishing look. So it should be durable, but you know, plastic through the cold and the winter, well, cold in the winter, through the cold, through the summer, if you leave it outside or you're gonna put it in your house, that makes a big difference when it comes to the color, when it comes to the condition of this product right here, or any type of plastic that you have outside. Now it says it has integrated drainage right there, and you can have storage on the bottom. So let's go ahead and take this black liner out, and on this side it says easy installation guide. It's straightforward, so let's go ahead and get into it. Very light, very light. If you want to get this for your grandma, your grandpa, your wife, your husband. Right there we have our drainage holes already poked out. Well, this drainage hole here is poked out, so we have one. Oh, cool. Made in the USA. What do you know? Not too much stuff here is made in the USA anymore anyway. So there you go. Made in the USA. So buy yourself one of these. Help America. All right, so obviously this is the inside, this is the outside. This is straightforward, you guys. Bottom, top, I don't believe that there is a bottom or top on this. All right, that one's in, that one's in. All right, you guys, and the bottom piece is simple. You see these little cutout right there? They have a cutout here, cutout on this side. So let's go hit, and this will be our storage. Fits nice and simple. There you go. We have a little mini storage. Awesome. You could put your what you call it, your little garden tools down here. Very nice. They have this here. What is this? Oh, this is for the middle. Oh, it's for the middle to separate. Don't really need to separate anything, but I'll leave it like that for decorations, and we're done. Yes, the ones at Costco and Sam's Club are a little bit bigger, but this one you're sacrificing with the price. All right, now I am going to plant some peppers here, you guys, until I figure out what I want to do in the garden. I do have my blackberry bush that's growing really big in the garden, but that's about it. And yeah, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.